Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. The scale widget in Python's tkinter library is used to create a graphical slider that allows users to select a value within a specified range. It can be used to adjust settings or parameters in a GUI application. Here's a simple tutorial on how to use the scale widget in tkinter. 1. Import the tkinter module. 2. Create the main application window. 3. Create a scale widget. In the above code snippet, from _and to specify the range of values that the slider can select. Orient determines the orientation of the slider, horizontal or vertical. Length sets the length of the slider in pixels. Label is an optional label displayed above the slider. 4. Add a button to retrieve the selected value. 5. Start the tkinter main event loop. When you run this code, a window will appear with a slider and a button. Move the slider to select a value within the specified range, then click the button to retrieve and print the selected value. Here's a complete example combining all the above code snippets. Feel free to customize the example by changing the range, orientation, length, label, and adding additional functionality based on your requirements.